great. I'll put your
I'm
link in the
inside of my video.
I'll put your link in the description too.
Alright, dog. I got you.
Alright, pistols only, pistols only, pistols only.
Description.
Pistols only, guys.
Oh, I didn't load in. This is gay. Colin, just kill yourself.
Am I like the only one alive?
Yes.
No, I don't know.
because
I didn't
get
load
to
it either.
Bro, I'm the only. It's
I'm
me
still loading.
V4. Alright, I've already got one kid.
Oh, he's going crazy. Don't kill yourself, bro. Go crazy, my guy.
Bro, I've already got one.
Oh!
Two.
Oh, we
left.
got a
Going
new
up.
lobby.
This is going up.
We got a new lobby.
This is going up. This is going up on YouTube.
Three.
Oh my god. Let's go.
Bro, can I get it?
Oh,
Can I
Colin,
get
this
this?
is
This is
suck
going
if you
up
die
on
right now.
YouTube, bro. Oh my
Oh,
god.
come
We didn't
on,
even get to
come
spawn
on.
in, but you're kicking ass right now, dog.
Bro, I was honestly thinking about killing
And I
myself,
told you to
too.
kill yourself in the beginning.
Yo, I got your back, brother.
Bro, alright, we got this. We got this. We got this.
Bomb planted.
Come on,
You're
come on,
good.
come on.
You're good. You're good.
I wonder if he's AFK. I'm gonna go check the AFK.
Nah, don't miss the bomb, bro. You could lose it all.
Oh shit.
Go back. Go now, bro. Throw a flashbang. Throw.
No!
Oh, Colin.
Dang.
Yeah, that's going up on YouTube, right? You gotta put that up on YouTube, bro. Like,
Bro, alright,
well,
this is
depends
the
how the
game,
rest of
guys.
the
This
game
is the game. We gotta get it. Bro, oh my god, the
Bomb
one shot,
offline.
one shot.
this is going up on YouTube, man. This
Lost
is
the battle, but
amazing.
the war goes on.
Bro,
All
I'm
right,
so,
let me get
I'm
up.
so
Let me sit
ready.
up. Let
I'm
me
so
get ready,
ready.
guys.
I'm in it right now, bro. Bro,
You should have never
you should have
exposed
thrown
your
a
position.
flashbang.
I know.
So you should have thrown a flashbang there.
I
So you
should
would
have
have
thrown a
been.
flashbang. Yeah.
You should have banged him.
Switching sides.
Oh my god, that would have been the clutchest moment in the world,
Bro,
man.
if I would have got that.
Protect the
Alright,
objective.
honestly,
Oh,
our
6
team
on 6?
should win this. Our team should win. If I can kill, what? How many kills with all of them but one?
You kill half of the team.
No, yeah. Bro, we should. Oh, rockets! I can't build like in Fortnite. Gotta watch out.
Are they at B?
I don't know. I just got a rocket shot at me, close to me. I'm gonna go over here.
What the fridge?
Oh, hey.
They're at B.
Oh, yeah,
Engage
that's
the target, I repeat. Oh, they're coming to our spawn.
From where? From where? I got one. Oh, there's another one. Get him! Get him! Get him!
No,
Get
no,
him!
no, get him, get him, get him.
Oh, there's two of them. There's two of them. I
Watch
got
out,
both of them.
grenade.
I got both of them. There's more. Oh, watch out! There's another one in there.
I'm defusing the bomb, distracted.
Got another one. Oh, there's one left. Can I kill the full
No, there's
team?
not. There's 2 left.
Oh, there's another one.
No, we
There's one
lost.
left.
You're the last man standing. Show me
We
great.
lost, Coughlin.
Bro,
No,
And
yo,
you got
this is
killed.
still going up, bro.
I got
I don't
8
care
kills.
if we lose or not.
8 kills now.
I don't care if we're losing or not, bro. This is going up. This is a pistol only challenge right here, my friend.
Look at this though. Look, none of my teammates have kills. Come on, guys. Every
Here,
single
I'm
round,
pulling
Bro,
out
I
the
was
arcade
defusing
pod.
the bomb.
every single round, it's this one kid that's left. He's
Switching
killed me every
operation ready
time.
point.
It's that last kid that always kills me. It's the same one. All right, guys. Hey, I have a present for you. I'm gonna put it up in about 10 seconds. You guys ready? Count down. Hey,
It's a
both of you count
UAV.
down. Both of you count down.
No, I'm
3.
pushing up.
I mean 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. UAV activated.
They're all.
Yo!
Oh my god! I just got melee. Are you kidding me?
I got him for you, brother.
All right. I'm watching. Oh, killed him. There's more.
What the fridge? Where are they?
Planted.
The UAV did nothing but confuse me, Colin.
There you go.
Okay.
Come on. Hey, 4 more. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Turn it up, Bono!
One more. No, pistol only.
I ran out of ammo, bro.
Melee.
Alright, yeah,
Melee.
That's fair then. No, just kill him. Hey, oh, the other kid killed him. We're good. The other kid killed
Let's
him.
go.
Let's go, bro. I got
Yo,
It's
I
still
feel
pistol
so
only.
hyped right
It's
now,
still
dude.
pistol only. It didn't
Still
kill him.
pistol
Yep,
only.
yep.
Yeah,
Sorry
still
about
only.
that.
Still pistol only. No, you didn't kill him. You never killed him. Look, this kid did. You got an assist.
Let's fucking go. Good job, bro.
We need to win this.
We need to
win this.
turn up.
We need to
Step
win
it up,
this.
Houdini. Let's
Houdini.
do this.
You're supposed to be the
Yeah, I'm
pistol
stepping
god.
up.
What are you doing? I thought you're the
Come
pistol
on,
I'm
god.
not.
God.
Okay.
You're the pistol
okay.
god, dude. Come on.
Don't ever call me out again. Don't call me out. Don't you ever do that shit.
Alright. I don't want to die. Teammate, you go first. Bro, you go. You go, teammate. You. An RPG just shot in the room and killed. He didn't even know I was here. He just shot.
Assist? Are you sucking?
He didn't even know I was there. Oh, come on. Bro, you got this.
They're gone.
Yo, comment your name in the chat. Viewers. Oh, come on. Hey, one left. Houdini's clutching up. Yes, get him. Let's go. Houdini's clutching up.
Let's go.
Let's go.
This is one
guys.
beast pistol only challenge, bro. Let's go.
This is our game, guys. If we lose this, I'm gonna be so mad.
This is our game, bro. We're all clutching up right now. You got 8 kills, Tropics. Houdini has 2. I have 4.
Switching
They can't
operation
stop
ready
us.
point.
Bro, we gotta get this
Eliminate the
win.
objectives.
Alright, hey, go B. I feel like B is like my spot.
Let's go B,
Every time I go
bro.
B, I survive. Every time I go A, I die. Alright. Oh yeah, that nice smoke.
Oh, they're there.
Are they really?
Woo! I caught one.
Oh no, it's a shotgunner. Oh,
Call, kick him out.
you
kick
just
him
got
out,
me.
kick
You
him
got
out.
me. You
Plant
saved
the
me.
bomb. Plant the bomb.
Oh, it's out. Another one.
Eyes on enemy.
Got him. There's another one in here. Got him.
EKIA.
Alright, I'm planting. I'm gonna plant. You watch me. You watch. If I die, it's your fault. Alright.
You're good. I got you.
The bomb has been
Alright. We got this. Oh, let me stand up. Thank you. Alright, this kid's probably at A. Is there any more pistols? Tristan, where'd you die? I want your gun.
He's behind us.
Oh, he is? Let me get this.
Don't rush him.
No, hey, you're watching that way. I'm watching this way. I see him. Let's go.
we do
I'm at 10
Get ready.
kills. 10 and 4.
Woo! Clutch up, gang. You already know how we rocking, my guys.
Let's go. We
Good
got
job.
this, guys. We got this.
We
I need
got
to
this
get.
in the bag, bro.
3 kills right now. I need to come in 3rd place.
Yeah, we all 3 need to get on the leaderboard.
Switching sides.
Yes.
I'm
let's
trying.
Do this.
I just need to clutch up.
Alright, me and
This is
Vortex
one
have a
beast.
clutch.
Defend the
Alright, me and
objective.
Vortex already have our spot on the leaderboard. I'm going B.
Yes, sir.
I got this.
Actually, you guys are going A. I'll go A with you.
Alright,
I'll go A with you.
UAV inbound. They're all
They're
going
all B. Wait. There's still guys here at A though. Gotta be careful. Oh, it's a brekkie. I'm nervous. Bro, Houdini's already in it. Bro, I'm coming.
Oh my God!
Where they
There's
all
like
at?
4 of them there. I thought y'all said they're all at freaking B.
Nah, they are though.
Alright, I got him too. Alright.
Slow down, bro.
Oh, I hit him a lot.
Charges
I
set.
kind of want y'all to lose this round, low key.
Well, don't wish that on us. We gotta win.
Oh, from our back.
No, I want y'all to lose so I can get some kills and maybe
Alright,
clutch a
alright,
spot
I
on
got
the
it.
leaderboard.
Awaiting orders.
No!
He's dead.
Take him out, bro. Take him out.
Ready for deployment.
We won. Let's good game.
That's a kill.
Where is he?
Yeah.
Oh, somebody defuse. You defuse it, dude.
Supplies low. Send care
Got that UAV up. Let's find out where this kid is.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, she's
Yo, this
dead.
is clutch, bro.
Let's go.
Hey, yo,
12
close out
kills.
this video the right way, brother.
12
Yo, mute your mic, Houdini. I'm gonna mute my mic. Yo, good job. Thank you guys so much for tuning in the video. Hit the thumbs up, guys. Close out that video, brother.
Alright, and please subscribe to Vortex. And always
That's a
subscribe to
kill.
me. Like the video, comment. Hey, if you have any questions, just ask me. Make sure you go check out Vortex's video.
And
It'll be in the description.
Overwatch.
Sub to him. You have to. Please. Peace.